Yeah, so this is the video which we are previously have explained you about the automation 2050. Again, I am repeating you. If you are seeing my videos for the first time and if you are seeing this video for the first time, please subscribe to Automation 2050 channel for getting all the very good best updates from me. So, so I will tell you that the 10 automation testing tools which it is currently used in the best. There is a list of top 10 automation testing tools. So which it will help you to meet the use case or meet your objectives perfectly. First one is TERIC Test Studio. TERIC Test Studio is a comprehensive and one of the most innovative automation testing tools available in the current market. It offers robust functional UI testing, exploratory testing, load testing, performance testing, testing in Visual Studio, and mobile testing apart from manual testing capabilities. Second one is Selenium. Selenium is an automated software testing tool for testing web applications. It automates browsers, enabling users to sail through various browser specific testing purposes. What makes this even more important is that most major browser vendors are taking steps to make Selenium an integral part of their browsers. Third one is Robotium. Robotium is a popular automation testing framework for Android. It supports native and hybrid application and makes writing automated black box test cases easily. It also integrates seamlessly with Gradle, Ant, and Maven, which helps to run test cases as continuous integration. The fourth one is Test Complete. Test Complete is an open test platform that helps you create reusable, robust, and automated tests across desktops, web application, web mobile, and multiple devices easily and effectively. Silverlight applications can also be tested using Test Complete. It allows testers to create automated tests for Microsoft Windows, web, Android, and iOS apps. The fifth one is WATIR, which is pronounced as water in another tool to automate web browsers. Ruby enables connections to databases. So it's another tool which has some Ruby libraries in it. So a Ruby enables connections to databases, reads files, support XML, etc., and also structures your code as reusable libraries. And moreover, it is an open source library which gives you the flexibility of automation. Water lets you write tests that are easy to maintain and flexible. Coming to the sixth one, QTP, UFT. HP's QTP, HP's one is QTP. So HP's QTP, which is launched as Unified Functional Testing, provides automated functional testing and automated regression testing. It supports scripting interfaces and offers a GUI for easy use. It can be used for enterprise quality assurance. It uses VB, that is Visual Basic Scripts, to specify test procedures and manipulate applications objects which are being tested. And seventh one is Virtual Studio Test Professional. This is the most comprehensive testing solution for all Microsoft platform, including desktop, phone, tablet, servers, and also the cloud. With MSDN subscription, you can also access all the other Microsoft products and services which can further help you to design, develop, and test your application on multiple platforms. Eighth one is SOAP UI. This is an open source web service testing application for SOA. SOA is a service oriented architectures and REST representational state transfers. It offers automated functional testing, automated loaded testing, and compliance testing. It also offers mocking and simulation features apart from web service inception. Ninth one is Test Drive. Test Drive helps in rapid automation, effectively test browsers and even legacy applications apart from GUIs like Ajax, Java, and Silverlight. Going to 10th one, Fitness is a wiki and web server apart from an automation testing tool. It is designed to run acceptance testing than unit testing. The wiki page is created in Fitnessy or run as test. The specifications can be tested against the application itself, resulting in a round trip between the specifications and the implementations. So the 10 important automation tools is the Terric Test Studio, Selenium, Robotium, Test Complete, Water, QTP UFT, Visual Studio Test Professional, SOAP UI, Test Drive, and Fitnessy. These are all the top 10 automation tools available. Apart from this, I will tell you if there is anything which I have left it. So apart from this, there is ACCELQ Test Project, RANOREX Testcraft, and then Headspin, Subject 7, EZEU Wizard, Lambda Test, Test Architect, Parasoft Selenic, Squish, Zyper, Testicate Studio, Selenium, I have already told you, Water, IBM Rational Functional Tester, and then Silk Test, Cucumber, Worksoft Certified, Catalan Studio, Test Complete. Is all, yeah. So these are all the things. So I will tell you what are all the other software tools available in the market again. ACCELQ, it's a cloud-based automation platform. Test Project, RANOREX, Testcraft, Headspin, Subject 7, EZEU Wizard, Lambda Test, Test Architect, Parasoft Selenic, that is Squish. It's a new GUI test automation tool. Uh, Zyper, Test Cafe Studio, and then IBM Rational Functional Tester, and then Silk Test, Cucumber, Worksoft Certified, Catalan Studio, then Test Complete. I already said you. So I will tell you what are all the other like additional automation testing tool available in the market. I will whatever I have told it to you, I will also mention it in the description box below. So if you have any doubts, I think you are asking in WhatsApp, so I'm ready to actually who are all there in my contact. I'm able to I think solve all your queries related to the channels, videos, and all. So if you have any doubts also, you can I will share my email ID with you below, so you can ask me. So hope these videos are helpful for you. Thank you for watching patiently, and if you like it, please click the thumbs up button, and please subscribe to Automation 2050 channel for all the updates, upcoming updates. Thank you.